Okay, I need to get dressed. Need to have a shower. One more message. Okay, lovely Leslie. If I ordered a bowling bag today, would it arrive in time for Christmas? What date is it? 2nd of December. Usually 4 weeks, so I couldn't guarantee it. Up to you. Kiss. Maybe I will be working with you soon. Good luck. One day, one day.
Here, we're ready. We're ready. We're ready.
YouTube video and I thought I'd give some feedback amongst my message. I only watch you on YouTube on the odd occasion and don't usually watch all the way through, but I unfollowed you on Instagram because of your political leanings, hence why I'm not subscribed to your YouTube channel either. It's such a shame that creators can't leave their political ideology separate from their craft art, particularly in today's times. I don't want to be fed your point of view on politics. I just want to watch you create beautiful things. Apart from your politics, you come across as a lovely lady. And it goes on. Let's look up political craft. What do people do? Craftivism, political craft projects for activists, protests and socialists. How crafting became a form of public activism and protest. That looks good. Amy of Melbourne. I'm going to subscribe to her. Craftivism and the politics of crafting. Craft is political. And here's me. Here's me. I'm not, with my tiny following. Knitting and tariffs. How hobbies, arts and crafts are political. Love it. So there is a space for me. Who would have thought? This morning I have scrubbed the house and it doesn't look like it because as you can see there's piles of fabric everywhere, but I am getting to it. I'm doing warm tones, cool tones, fixing things up and also just making little new thread guys rather than having heaps of it everywhere. I've got earrings stuck in the middle of it. I've got stuff everywhere, but I am getting there. How are you doing? So on Thursday, so today is Tuesday. So on Thursday, we have our first fabric bowl workshop and I've got it organized in that I've created packs for people doing the workshop. I'm going to talk to my landlord. She's got some chairs. I want to make sure we've got comfortable chairs and that I'm ready. I've also done little mini contracts for 2 others that want to host workshops at Mount Vic and me. And everyone's happy. And I'm so thrilled that Thea with her shoe workshop, she's already sold out. So that's happening 18th of January. Future's bright, future's bright. Interesting things are happening. And my landlord who has the shop next door to me, she does lead lighting and taxidermy. She is now looking at doing some more workshops and opening up her space. So I feel like our little space on the highway is going to be very creative. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So I'm in my pajamas. I need to go and have a shower and get ready. I feel like I haven't slept properly. I have a one of those sleep apnea machines and I've stopped using it. Mainly because I'm going to Japan in January and I thought, oh, maybe I don't need it anymore, but I've woken up feeling miserable and headachy and migrainey and I need to pull that out and get back into that. Anyway, I thought it'd be fun to do a YouTube reel of just getting ready in the morning in my pajamas, braless, getting ready for the day and see the chaos that I have as my dining table so no one else can use it right now. I've got the kids' music books ready for music lessons this afternoon. Pick them up, run them round, and I'll go up to the shop and do some tidying and pack some orders today. So that's it. Oh, and Kevin, who works with me every Saturday, we've got to book a lunch for a little mini Christmas party, just the 2 of us. So we're deciding where to go in the mountains. So that's another thing I've got to do. And then I have my paper list. Look at some chairs for the shop. Fix the lights. The lighting's always a problem in the shop. It's a little bit dark, so I've got to work out what to do. If the electrician can somehow change it to make it brighter, install a different light or hook up a lamp, I don't know. Book submissions today, so a firm press and just talking to someone at Walker Books. I still haven't got my kids' book over the line and now I'm doing a sort of a fiction book. See how that goes. But other than that, I'm all over everything. Martinis and slippers, so new stocks arrived too. Anyway, bye.